Got an antique Singer model 66 with red-eye decals. Serial number is G8140259, which dates it to 1920. It's a Treadle machine, but it does have a hub or a boss that you can mount a hand crank or a motor. This hand crank and this base are mine. They do not come with the machine. They're there for demonstration purposes only. And basically I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. It's got 6 layers of denim that were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. A little hard to see on the back side, but there you can see it's got equal stitch on both sides.